Hey guys, I'm Leslie. Welcome to today's video. A big welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have so many awesome videos coming for the holidays that you're not going to want to miss. Okay, so if you watched my home tour earlier, you saw that we already did this hutch, and if you follow me on Instagram, then you most likely saw my reels and saw that I had already done this mantle. But this kitchen is a blank slate, has nothing fall, so I want to decorate it. Okay, so all of these items that I'm about to place in my kitchen are new this year. I will list them all down below if you want to shop with me. So we're gonna do this, but I also did a really cool DIY that you guys can do. It was so cheap and oh, it is so cute. You're gonna like it. So, all right, so don't forget to like this video and let's get to decorating. Okay, so you may be wondering what in the world is she putting by her windows, but oh my goodness, I found these at Bed Bath & Beyond and they're so cute. They're for your front porch, but I wanted to do something different in my kitchen than normal, and so these look amazing next to my windows. Okay, so next up I found these little beauties, both of the two items that I'm about to place on here at Kirkland's. Okay, so I got this tier trade from Kirkland's, and most of the items that you're about to see that I'm placing on there are from Kirkland's and Michael's. And I was cracking myself up when I was watching this because I could not figure out how I wanted to do it. So I was, of course, going to cut all that out. And I was like, you know what? I'll just be realistic and show you how many times I end up changing this around. And throughout the rest of this video, you're going to see it moved a little more, little things added, but that's just real life. You might have noticed that my other items that I added were more like fall items, and this little tiered tray is more Halloween, because I'll be super honest, I absolutely love decorating for Halloween more than I do for fall. If you've seen my front porch video, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, look at this cute little guy. I had to get him because he's a Chihuahua. And everybody knows that I love my little Chihuahua. But anyway, you're going to see that I tried to do the kitchen in both Halloween and fall, just kind of combine them. Okay, I definitely love this wreath. I found it at Kirkland's and it matched the topiaries from Bed Bath & Beyond so well. Okay, let's get this moved and start our quick DIY. Okay, so we need paper mache letters, we need an X-Acto knife, we need cheap Christmas lights, and we need spray paint. So as you can see, I'm just using the X-Acto knife and I'm just cutting off the front of each letter. Okay, so we have the insides all removed, and we're going to go ahead and get it nice and measured up to get our little mini Christmas lights poked through. And I just went through and I just measured and got straight lines throughout the whole thing and just kind of measured like how far apart I wanted each one of my lights to be. Keep in mind I used 2 strands of lights, which are 20 a piece, so I had 40 lights for the whole word for fall. So I needed to count each one for each letter to make sure that I was going to have the appropriate amount. And I just went through and I just poked it with the X-Acto knife first, and then I took a pencil and poked it through just to make a bigger, smoother hole. And then I used the metallic gold spray paint and just went outside and spray painted all the letters on a very windy day. I once had somebody question me in another video about wearing white tennis shoes with spray paint, but hey, I never got any on there, so I guess that was good. And then lastly, I'm just poking the lights through each hole. Every once in a while, the hole would be just a little too snug and I would have to use a pencil again just to help widen it up. Okay, so this centerpiece is from Kirkland's last year, and I decided to take out the candle part of it, and I'm just going to replace it with the fall light up letters that we made, and I think that this ended up turning out so nicely. It's exactly what I was hoping for, and it just, oh my goodness, it really grabs your attention when you walk into the kitchen. Okay, I wanted a little more Halloween decor, so these bats that they sell at Kirkland's are kind of sparkly, glittery. They're so cute. They actually come in an 8-pack. They have like 3 large and 5 smaller. I decided to just use the smaller and put them all over my door, and I think they're so cute. And of course, I think I have to come back and move one of them. Really like how this turned out, and now my kitchen doesn't look all plain and boring, and it kind of goes with the rest of my house. Oh my goodness, I think this is so cute. Thanks so much for watching, guys.